What up, guys, and welcome back to another video. As you guys could see today, I'm gonna be reviewing, unboxing the Harman and Kardon Onyx Studio 4. And as you guys could see, I got two of them. And the only reason I got two of them was so I could connect them together so we could have some stereo sound, you know. But anyway, let's get started. I did pay around 250 for one of them and 250 for the other one. So I ended up paying like 500 and something for both of these speakers with tax. But anyway, guys, let's get started and see what this speaker is capable. Let's put that one down for now. You guys could see, here's the side of the box, Harman and Kardon. And right here's the back of the box. This speaker, I believe, has I don't know if it has Bluetooth 4.0 or 4.1, not too sure. But this speaker claims 8 hours of playtime. You could actually, I think, like I said, you could connect to multiple speakers together as long as they're the Harman and Kardon Onyx Studio 4. You could connect up to 100, and it has a microphone, so you could use it as a speakerphone. And basically that's it, guys. So let's get started. Here's the side of the box right here, and let me open it up. Oh, I need my knife. Oh, you know what, we're just gonna peel this off. I don't know where my little bullet knife went. I'll just peel this off, guys, and let's see what comes in the box. Alright, so we got that little tab out. So in the box, which is really bad. So in the box, you get the AC cord and then the power adapter. Put that to the side. And take this out. Put that right here. And on the box, you get the you get this little beautiful speaker wrapped up. And you also get a manual and some instructions right here, a little booklet. So we'll read that in a bit if we need to. And that's basically all that comes in the box, guys. So let's unwrap this. Oh, it has tape too. Wow. I used to have the Onyx 2. But I don't have it anymore. And I remember that one, the speaker, it didn't have tape on the little packaging. Oh my god. So here it is, guys. This is how the Onyx Studio 4 looks like. Very premium actually. Materials like rubberized right here in the back. Here's the passive radiator. It has another one in the front. Here's a little handle so you could carry it, which is nice. Here's the little stands, which are not removable or they're not adjustable either. So this is how the speaker has to be sitting down all the time. Right here in the back, we have a power connector, the AC power cord, and then we have the aux cord. And then we have I believe that looks like I don't know if it's a micro. Yeah, I think it's a micro USB or a Type C connector, and it says for service. So I don't think we're gonna be using that. Right here on the side, we have a power button, a call button, volume up, and volume down, and the HK connect. And then the Bluetooth pairing button right here. So that's about it, guys. This grill is removable. I've seen people remove it. I don't know if you guys remember or if you guys seen the Harman and Kardon, the second, I believe the first one too, and the Studio 2. This little tab, you were able to take it off really easily. It was held by magnets. Right now you have to actually like take like a tool and so you could take the little cover off so you could see the speakers and everything. But I'm not gonna be doing that because I'm not trying to damage it. But anyway, guys, let's get this plugged in, and let me plug it in and pair it, and let's see how it sounds. These speakers are loud. It plays at 60 watts with the AC adapter plugged in, and it plays at 30 watts with the internal battery of this speaker. So let me connect it to my phone, and yeah, we'll do a test with the battery, and then we'll do a test with the AC adapter. And hopefully my neighbors don't call the cops on me or get kicked out of here, because these speakers do get pretty loud. They're really loud. But I'll be back, guys. Give me a second. Well, actually, let me turn it on so you guys could hear how it sounds when you turn it on. Oh, it makes a pretty crazy noise. Now let me look for it on my phone and pair. Give me a second here, guys. Alright, let's see. Harman and Kardon. Now what's that? Let me see, is it in pairing mode? Let me see if it's on pairing mode, guys. I don't think it is. Let me. Oh, there it is. Kardon Onyx Studio 4. And we are connected, guys. So let's do a audio test by itself. One speaker at 30 watts with the battery, without the AC adapter plugged in. And let's see how it sounds. Like always, I'm gonna be playing some uncopyrighted music, you know, cause that's how it is. So let me start the music, and let's hear how it sounds.
Perfect.
Max volume. And wow, this thing is loud. They're gonna call the cops on me. Here's a passive radiator. You guys can see the bass is wow, incredible. Alright, guys, wow, this speaker sounds amazing. I mean, for the price you're paying for this, you're expecting big sound, punchy bass, everything. This, oh my god, this speaker sounds so good. The highs are there, the mids are there. Has two passive radiators. I believe it has two tweeters, and it has two full range drivers also. So it sounds really good, and it sounds loud. It sounds louder than the Onyx too, honestly. Like when I remember, it already sounds really loud. And that's just on the battery. That's not even like at full power with the AC adapter. With the AC adapter, it goes up to 60 watts. So that's gonna even be 2 times the loudness of what it sounds right now. So let me plug this into the power, and I'll do another audio test. And yeah, guys, just give me a second here to plug it in, and I'll be back. Alright guys, I'm back, and I plugged it into the power, to the AC port. So let's see how it sounds now. Let me make sure it's full volume on here. You guys could hear it makes a little noise, letting you know it's at max volume already. So let's test it out. Wow. Well, there you guys have it. That's how it sounds, and it honestly sounds really loud. I hope I don't get a noise complaint, guys. Oh, yeah, because the neighbors are very exaggerating, you could say. But then again, it's noon. It's noon, so they can't complain. You know, I'm not doing this at night. I was gonna do it yesterday, but it was already too late for me to do it. They would have complained right there. But anyway, guys, sounds really good, as you guys can hear. Very punchy bass. Everything sounds perfect on the speaker. Let me get this other one connected to it, and we could do dual stereo sound on these. So give me a second, guys, and I'll be back. Alright guys, you guys can see I have both of them plugged in, and for sure cops are gonna get involved in this video test, but I'll let you guys know. But let's get started. Wondering who gonna keep them. Let me see. Well, there you guys have it. I had to stop it because, you know, I don't know, might get complaints. Like I said, they sound really loud. Like honestly, you could go to a party. You could start a party with 2 speakers, maybe even 1. I would say plugged in. But that's how it sounds when 2 of them are connected. And the way you connect them is you press this little button right here, like that, and then you would press the other one. Same thing. If it's off, we press it on, and there you go. That's all you need to do. They'll find themselves. You don't have to do anything, and they'll pair. And when you turn them off and they're plugged into the AC adapter, it's pretty cool. They blink. They blink like that. You see that? You guys see that? Hopefully you guys can see that. Yeah. But anyway, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please give it a like, and like always, guys, don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to pick one of these speakers up, I highly recommend it. You won't be disappointed at all. But anyway, guys, I'll see you guys on the next video. So peace out.